Hey guys, welcome to Firecoder platform. Today we're gonna learn about an array. First of all, let's see the short point about an array. An array is a collection of homogeneous data type which stores the only same data type. It's not gonna store your different data type. Means you are storing in array int data type and also float. Such type of array is not exist. Okay, it gonna give you error. Let's see how you can declare array and initialize, print and access values by index. Okay, first of all, include your header file, include and iostream using name space std and int main return 0. Okay, syntax of array, data type and array name. In square bracket you have the size of array. Okay, here is data type which is int and array name arr. In square bracket you have to give it a size, and in curly bracket you have to push an element 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, this is the initialization of array. Okay, okay, you can see here is the data type is int, which means the data type of int of each element is 1. It's going to store 4 byte in our memory locations. So uh, store 4 byte in memory location. So total memory used by array, you have to only given a size of array and into 4. Okay, in our case size of array is 5 and into 4 byte int store 4 byte. Okay, is equal to 20. Okay, 20 byte is going to store our array. Okay, so now let's see how you can access your array element. For accessing element of array, okay, you can access it by using indexes. Int v is equal to, we are assigning the element of array in our variable v, which is in type. To accessing array element you have to give an array and the index of element which you want to access. Okay, I'm gonna give 1, so let's print it v and save it, and g++ file name, done, and .exe file has prepared a dot and tab. So we got 2 here, the element which is 2. the indexes. Initial index of 1 is 0 and 2 is 1 and 3 is 2 and 4 is 3 and 5 is 4. Okay, so the size is here 5. Okay, here is given 1. 1 means the index is 1, means the value of index 1 is 2. Okay, so we get 2 answer. So now let's see how you can print the array. Printing array. For it you have to use the for loop and you have to declare I is equal to 0 and I less than the size of array, which is 5, and increment the I by plus plus. Okay, and for printing you have to use scout and array name, and in square bracket you have to give an I which iterate from 0, means 0. You can see here this we have given index 1, so we can access the value of index 1. Okay, as same as it is, you can, when I is 0 we can access 1, when I is equal to 1 2, when I is equal to 3 we can get 4, and at the 4 we get 5. Okay, so let's print it. Let's give in a company, let's comment it. Yeah, we got our array which is 1 2 and 5. This is a static data, means you have declared, you have given a size before the runtime. Now we can get a size from user. Let's comment it. First of all, you have to take in a size from user, int n, which is our size. By cin you can get value of n from user, and declaration of array, as we talked, first of all you have to give in a data type and array name. Whatever you want you can give array name. In my case I'm giving arr, and you have to in square bracket given a n, which is our size. So for getting input from user you have to use again for, which iterate from I is equal to 0 and I less than the size of array. In our case size of array is n. Okay, and increment the I plus plus, and by cin you can get element, and in square bracket you have to give an I. So for printing use for. I less than n and I plus plus, and scout same as it is we have done previous, and I and semicolon. We have done, save it and run it. A.exe file. So you have to give in a size of array which is 5. I gonna give and push element 1 2 4 5 and 7. So we got 1 2 4 5 and 7 elements of an array. Okay, here I am using int. Every time you have to declare the data type of I. If you don't want, you can use also this thing, auto keyword, which automatically understand which type of data you are giving to I, which 0 means int, I less than n, and I plus plus. Okay, and let's print it. Size 1, 2, 4, 5. Yeah, let's give a nice space between it so we can access auto function, auto, and then for next line. Size 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yeah, you can get same answer by using declaring int I or auto I. Okay, yeah, done. It pretty much good.